A little bit about my guitar. It's a Tagima Modena. It's got this funky looking logo up there. I don't know what that means. Tagima on the plate here. It's a basswood back and a spruce top. Nylon strings, easy to play. And it's got nice sound. And this is just through my cheap TDA7297 amplifier, homemade amplifier, which is not very loud, but I'm controlling all the tone through the little equalizer here, and very simple controls here, bass, middle, treble, presence, and volume, and it's got a built-in tuner. And I'll turn up the presence a little bit. Turn the presence down. Not a lot of difference on this amp, but very quiet. I like this amp because it's perfect for apartments, because when you turn off the amplifier, I'm the only one who can hear it. Even my wife, who is sleeping, cannot hear it. And this is a lot like, this guitar was made in China. You can't buy any new ones now. They're just used ones floating around for about $100. And they're a $200 guitar. And it's made for the Brazil market. And I don't know if these were just seconds that were left here or if they're copies or what they are. But it's nice wood and well built. The only thing I had to do on here was dress the fret ends a little bit because they were kind of sharp, so I filed them down a little bit. A lot smoother now. And they're a lot like some other guitars out there, the Antonio Hermosa AH5D, the Angel Lopez EC3000CN, and the Haitian EA 100 NA guitars. They look a lot like this one, or this one looks a lot like those. And those are for different markets, Italian market, United States, South America. It's heavy, very heavy. This basswood is real heavy. Cheap, $100 used, $200 new if you can find one. Sounds nice. Out of this amp, it's fine. This is just a clean signal, 2-channel, 15 watts per channel. But I got a Joyo amplifier, 15-watt amplifier, and with a lot of effects, and it sounds great through that with chorus and some other stuff. And it's a fun guitar, easy to play, and it doesn't have that funny wank sound that some of the nylon string solid body guitars have. So, fun guitar.